This is Alan Bush with ADMIS with the daily financial forecast for Thursday, April 14th. Stock index futures advancing yesterday, this after the Fed's Beige Book, indicating that in their assessment the economy is performing relatively well. However, today we are seeing some pressure in all of the indices, this after Zuckert of the Fed saying that in his opinion that the Fed could be raising rates 2 to 3 times in 2016. Now our feeling is that there may be only one rate increase, but not 2 to 3. In any event, his comments putting some pressure on the indices. Our feeling is that there will probably be recovery, and I think there's a very good chance we can see the indices trading higher on the day. Longer term, we do feel that the main trend is higher for all of the stock index futures. Now, moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index advancing once again, this due to Zuckert's comments about 2 or 3 rate increases this year. We all are seeing the pound coming under some pressure with the Bank of England at their policy meeting holding rates steady at a record low 50 basis points. In fact, this is where they have been for over the last 7 years. We do feel that the pound is still the best short since the political aspects of this market remain very negative as we get closer to the June 23rd referendum for the UK to exit the European Union. And in the interest rate markets, seeing prices lower across the board. We do feel that there is likely to be, though, some recovery today. If we're right in our thinking that stock indices will recover from the early morning weakness, that should cause at least somewhat of a recovery, or at least a more stable market in the interest rate futures. Longer term, fundamentals seem to be more mixed, with inflation increasing globally. At least core inflation levels are increasing, that being a bit of a negative factor. However, we do feel that the Fed, as we mentioned earlier, will be very slow to raise rates, and that should be a bullish factor. So we're standing aside in the interest rate futures markets, but we do like the precious metals. This weakness that we're seeing in the overnight trade and this morning, I think, will probably not follow through, and I would look for a recovery in both gold and silver today. And I think we can see higher prices longer term for both of those precious metals. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.